Wagwan family, welcome to my channel, and this is your favorite YouTuber Gargant. I'm doing an early morning recording. You hear the birds, them just ignore them. You see me? So I have a few things, and I'm probably just draw this out and can kill me with that. Anyways, alright. So a few things. One, I haven't posted a video since last week, but I never post any Monday videos. Alright, and because when the exam time, Martha just nerd out because the government are pay for school fee, and so nerd out, not stay up late and them things they are focused on charts and things. So basically, what happened? The exams finished last week. Well, basically the other day, and I did 3 trades. You see me? And I'm gonna show you guys. But before that, as per usual, keeping everything legit, I have made $59.55 on YouTube. Straight say how the struggles is real. If I did not like creating videos, this would be bad. But the reason why I even grow so fast is because I going to show you something. First thing first, my channel wanna copyright strike and come off, so I have one more left when that come off in this month, I think the 21st, 27th or whatever. The reason why my channel actually get a little spike in money is because this video is a book report. The UP them watch it to help them book report and thing. But what I will be doing is making another one soon. So if you're not getting a flashy video Monday coming, just go all the faces in me. I try bust them with you. That's that. Maybe I even come on Monday. I'm not sure. I try to do the script today. As I say, $59 mash basically. So I don't know special. You see me? $59 is a vibe, still much appreciated. Closer and closer to the banks. But that's not really what I'm coming for. See there. Come for this. So I'm sure the charts breaks down legit. As I say, I took 3 trades. You see me? 3 trades. I go on a low time frame and show you. And I doubled my account with these 3 trades. And funny enough, like people always sit down over analyze chart. Like legit, I'm gonna be real with you guys. I don't really spend long analyze my charts these days. You see me? What's a bomb? And most of the market when I entered, it was like right here, so right at this little squiggly part area around here, so you see me? And what's a bomb? I've noticed. If you notice, the head and shoulder pattern is essentially just you have like something go down, so come back up, and then you have something come up but bigger relatively and come back down, and then something come so and then come back down, and then basically shoulder and the head up here, so. And this looks like it don't. It don't look like the head and shoulder. Granted, the market not go perfect, but this don't look like the head and shoulder. Something bigger part up, come back down. What's up? I'm the right here, so. So like you can captivate on this area of the chart basically, if whatever. So I'm going a little closer, show you the sweeps. My chart messy and thing. I'm just trying to explain why I took the trade. So go out to the bar replay function and show the pre. So I'm gonna say the chart was right here, so go up on the 15-minute time frame. Go so bam. So damn, too fast. So basically, the market, the dealer play out, and I do the most as per usual. As you mean, so I say, I'm catching a little late and thing. But I'm dip on 15 minutes, and I show exactly what I'm weapon. As you mean, so the market goes so bam. The market did enter right here, so cause I did enter when I touch my charts from then. As you mean. The market do a thing like this. This particular thing show me say watch here, essentially the market goes a bomb and break down, and then it couldn't come back up, so it just form like this flat line thing. But you see all them wick here and them some there. So what me normally weapon is one bull or bear, depending upon if it's depending on the type of entry I plan. Take just wait till like it come in and it goes a bomb and it break, and then I enter. I'm see close on, but if wait till the camera, I just want to see say I personally, market can wick out and thing, but if you see them a wick out up at top and wick out down here, so say the breakout was it. So granted, what I should I do? I admit, shall wait a little bit. He come back right there, so first. Come back like area first, you know, like retest it. But enter my G, I'm going to bomb enter like I didn't enter like a first lot, you see me? Enter a first lot, it was like a 5, 0.5, or something like that. 0.5 and then enter. I'm just making play him say, you know, feel adventurous today. If I dirt, I dirt. You see me, come know say how markup and thing did accurate and thing. You must enter a second one. So that's why you see them two there. They beside each other essentially. You must enter them two there and then, you know, but the gum bed, you see me, cause you know my style. Gum bed, this is like a 1, this is a 1 to 4.58, 1 to 4, whatever. And this is what happened. Basically the speed of process. Basically the speed of process for all of them. All this some go boom, 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 boom. And it's play, do the most. I never seen none of them, so me just see bam. That was all I see. When I wake up, you know, did have my alert here, so it never come in. I'm like, okay, everything is okay. May I check say yeah, me not profit come in an email come in say, oh, stop gas, get kick or no. And then as per usual, the market play out. Essentially it was like the other day. I feel good. And me I say, no, I remember something and I did risk another 0.50. Into another one, goes a bomb. And when you come back down, come here, say, maybe that continue down. So it goes a bomb, continue down, and I think it went in a little profit like $3. It gonna like profit there. She lay down there, so, and then bam, I think he just 5 minutes after. So it was here and there from him, say, alright, cool, everybody win. So make the market play out and it do it most and whatever. And then essentially the market will come back around here, so. And as you can see, this lining up to be close to here, so I think it did like just pass a little bit and then come back down. Okay, but yeah, so that was really it, you know. That was really it. Like it come back down here, so I'm no surprise never really dare go far from here, so you see me, cause if you check the levels, you know, say retest right this already, and as you can see, it they basically like the same speed as me. So I'm kind of confident in another one here too. I'm like, yeah man, I know say it'll go down, cause you know, see there, basically they run them level here, you see me? Like my chart is being butchered right now. Anyways, but yeah, go so bomb play it out, and then what I do, boom, and that was it. Cause like right now I'm there, yo, I wake up in the morning again, cause you know me anytime chase up me last day, either I do some or I go sleep. I enter, I've already accept the risk of me losing the amount of money, and I'm fine with it. You see me? So I'm not too sit down and watch the chart and things. Just like I'm up, I'm kind of feel paranoid and things probably don't put that shit. But I'm just trying to not is that a SL or TP or whatever, you see me? And that was essentially it. Oh yeah. For yeah, so basically it get destroyed. That is it. And I think it went down even more afterwards. I think it went down, you see there? So imagine all if me all catch all the whole of this. Like me just no TP vibe, I'm just covering my things. It's a 1 to 11 or whatever. Just a continue, I run. Eventually come back up as per usual, but another thing with this particular trade that I took, she said I did entight on the double lot essentially with that trade here. Show you what I did do additionally, which I probably just totally forgot to tell you. Yeah, so what did happen is that the price did go down, started to break, and I say I'm in a profit been a while since my trade, like a week or two. So I say no, I had an alert right there, so you see me? That was alert right here, so just legit right here, so. And I say alright, if the market come back up, I basically get a 1 to 2 because of 2 entry. And then yeah, everything just went into my favor. So time for some steaks and some lobsters and some wonderful things, you see me? But just one of them things is I really don't want all the guys, so that's really it. Ensure that you smash the like button for the YouTube algorithm. Personally, I'm gonna to like really even said introduction and anything there is crazy. Because like persons really watch this are like family. Isn't it? Family on there from Monday like 500 subscribers, you know, with like 12 bills. We're going, just pump the stock, isn't me? Much appreciated. So I'll say, oh, love you guys. Catch you in the next video. Peace.